Hey, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're solving a common issue that many laptop users encountered: the AC power adapter wattage and type cannot be determined error. If you've ever seen this message on your screen, don't worry, we've got you covered. So, what does this error mean? Essentially, it occurs when your laptop can't recognize or communicate properly with the power adapter. This can happen for various reasons. Different brands has different BIOS keys. Press on BIOS setup button and your machine will restart to open the setup. Sometimes it might take a few seconds. Once it has opened, find the post behavior and click on it to select adapter warning. This will open a page where we need to disable warning. Once you have unchecked the checkbox to disable the permission, apply the changes and then restart your machine. I hope this video was success. Thanks for watching.